गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अगेन इन माय क्लास। सो लास्ट टाइम हमने क्या पढ़ा था? हमने पढ़ा था मॉस्लेस क्लासिफिकेशन और मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन। उसमें क्या कहा था हमने कि द बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एलिमेंट्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन ऑन देयर एटॉमिक नंबर, नॉट इन देयर एटॉमिक मासेस। दिस इज द बेसिक क्राइटेरिया ऑफ मॉडर्न क्लासिफिकेशन। उसके बाद उसने डिफरेंशिएट किए एस ब्लॉक, पी ब्लॉक, डी ब्लॉक एंड एफ ब्लॉक, और इट हैज डिफरेंशिएटेड metals and non-metals, and in between there are metalloids which have characteristic properties in between those of metals and non-metals. Metals are lustrous whereas non-metals are ductile. Similarly, there are certain other properties, and we discussed about from going top to below atomic size increases, while as from left to right atomic size decreases. Similarly, other properties like valency, it has described in detail what is the valency. It means that outermost shell में कितने electrons होंगे which participate in bonding. Similarly, atomic size, that is the radius from inner nucleus to outermost shell. So in nutshell we can say, in conclusion we can say that the elements are classified on the basis of similarities in their properties. This is the main thing. Second thing in this chapter, that is Zubair classified elements on triads. Similarly, जो न्यूलैंड था उसने क्लासिफाई किया ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ octavas. फिर उसके बाद मेंडल आया ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एटॉमिक मास एंड सर्टेन केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज लाइक हेड्राइड फॉर्मेशन, ऑक्साइड फॉर्मेशन. ही हैज क्लासिफाइड द elements. There were limitations but there were advantages in Mendelian classification. Then comes Mosley, who classify elements on the basis of atomic number, and he discussed about certain other properties like valency, atomic size, and various other characteristic properties like position of hydrogen and certain other properties. Then at last he gave a detailed analysis of overall periodic table. Now there are certain questions in this chapter 1. First question is, what is the position of hydrogen in periodic table? What are the limitations which Mosley have overcome from Mendelian classification? अगर Mendelian classification में limitations थे, उनको कैसे cope up किया मोज़ले ने? Similarly, question number 3 है A part, उसमें describe or name certain elements whose valency is 1. Describe or name certain elements which have 1 valency. B, which have 2 valency.